Welcome to another video on Zig Programming Language with Leasy. In this video we will talk about if statement and switch statement in Zig Programming Language. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want us to continue producing more content like this. You can also share your ideas and on how we can improve our video in the comments, and if you have any subject that we can talk about, also any proposition that we can make a new video of. Let's start the video first with the if statement. Now first I have defined a constant a of type u8 with the value of 8. I want to use if statement with else if and else, so that we can just discuss the totality of the if statement in Zig Programming Language. So this is the structure of a if statement in Zig Programming Language in general. So in the first line we have this if statement with the condition in the parentheses that checks if a is more than 10. If it's true, then the whole code that is in the block just after this if statement, basically the one that starts immediately after this parentheses, will run. If not, the next condition, which will be else if statement, will be checked. The condition there is that if a is more than 8, then the code block that comes right after it will run. And if neither of them are true, then the else statement will run, and that's it. That's the whole thing that we needed to know about the if statement in general. Now we can run this code and see the result. Of course, you can guess what the result is. And of course, the result also says that a is neither more than 8 nor more than 10. Now we can write the code and try to see how we can use the switch statement in Zig Programming Language. So I forgot to mention that there is a one-line if statement that could be used also if you want to have a condition, and then depending on the condition you want to have a variable that can have two different values. And here, for example, if a is more than 4, I'm going to assign to variable c a plus 2, and if not, I want to assign a minus 2 to the variable c. Now that being mentioned, we can now go to the switch statement. Switch statement is a little bit more where there is more place to talk about switch statement than if statement. In switch statement, you can use it in different ways. One is that you just use it as a normal switch statement that is in many programming languages. You just put a value there in the parentheses in front of switch, and then you have a block, and inside this block you have well, different cases that this a can have. For example, could it be between 4 and 8? These dots, there should be 3 dots here, which is different from the range that we define when we are trying to access a slice of array. And then we what we do here is if it's in between 4 and 8, and of course we are considering the limit values as well. So here a is 8, so this case should be the code in this case will run, of course, and it's gonna print us between 4 and 8. I made a mistake here. I put 2 dots, but it's not really important. The important part is, of course, here that we should put 3 dots in between 4 and 8, 3 dots between the limit values. And another case is that it's either 1 or 10. If it's if a is 1 or a is 10, then this block of statements will run. Here is an example how we can use a block of statements in each case, of course. And there is else, but I don't put any code here. I just put a comment there. Another way of using switch is using it as a kind of a function that returns value. So, for example, here we have const b equal to the return value of this switch, and we here put a plus c. We are asking if a what are the cases for the value of a plus c. If it's 8, then a plus 8 would be returned and assigned to b. And if a plus c is 5, then a minus 2 would be assigned to b, and in all other cases b would be c plus 2. And at the end we just print the value of b. So what we expect here is, of course, that the first statement to be printed is 4 and 8, and the second statement that should be printed is the value of b. That's well, c is a plus 2, which is 10, and b will be 10 plus 2, which is 12. Here the else statement will work. So we can see the result of this code in our terminal. And here is the result as we expected. So the first one is between 4 and 8, and of course including the limit points 4 and 8 themselves, and the second print gives us b is equal to 12. Thank you all for watching. That was it for today. It was really simple to just have a look at the if statement and switch statement. I'm pretty sure switch statement is probably more useful than if statement in general in many cases, but maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for supporting us to produce more videos, and have a great day, everyone. See you in the next video.